Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at FACEGYM. I've had so many friends go here. I've also seen it on social media. Hung Van Gogh, Edith Berlin, Michaela. So cool. And I don't like going to the gym, but this is a FACEGYM where they work out the face. I've been on like my health journey, but also like my face health journey with texture, hyperpigmentation. I'm excited to hear more about it. I know you guys are probably super intrigued about this FACEGYM. It's right here on Sunset Boulevard. I'll link it down below. Be sure to follow them. I'm ready to work out and get my face into shape. Without further ado, let's jump right in. And oh, also don't forget to subscribe. This is my trainer, Jocelyn. She bamboozled me when I was eating sushi right down there. She was like, please come. And now we're here. That was what, like months ago?
Yeah, it was months ago.
Okay. She's like, I'll beat you up. And I was like, okay, cool. So now we're here.
Basically, yeah.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Hey guys, oh my gosh, this is gonna be a voiceover because it's so cool to just watch and look at with all of you. But look at the setup. The clients are with their trainers in the back. It's very much like barbershop salon setup with the chairs. Here Jocelyn is giving me a warm-up, stretching me out. And the goal at FACEGYM is to lift, tone, sculpt, and deep clean, hydrate, tighten, like all the above. So there's different workouts that you guys can choose from and you guys can add on. But here she is with her talented, strong hands applying like hard pressure on the face. I did ask her though, for people with like fillers and Botox and cheek filler, like is it recommended or not recommended? Because I know a lot of my friends and people that I know might want to ask that, but that's really important. So she said it would be preferred to wait, I believe 2 to 4 weeks, so your filler doesn't move as they're moving all the stuff on your face. You can see right here she's using a face ball, which looks really funny, but I thought it was really, really cool. But here she is applying the electrolyte energizing brightening gel cleanser. This is just giving me a beautiful cleanse on my skin. You guys see my skin? I've been working so hard on my skin. I've been on YouTube for so long. You guys know me for makeup, but I feel like I'm in my skincare journey and also wellness. So I just like love this part. And she is so strong. You see that my face is jiggling, which is kind of funny, like jello. But she also worked on A-list celebrities for the Oscars, which I thought was really cool. She went and did really A-list celebrities and worked on the skin. This right here, I found out is your masseter muscle in your jaw, and I told her that it's been like really big because I had like TMJ, I clench, and so she's like, let me get to work on your damn cheeks. And let you see she is pushing, and I've also gotten Botox there and it has really subsided like the actual size of my jaw, which I'm in love with. So it gives me more of that snatched look. But over here she's taking the MULTI-SCULPT tool and really taking that with a little bit of the youth reformer, which is like an oil. It has firming vitamin C and it's an oil and serum in one. So the little tool is able to glide on smoothly. And you see how she's bringing that back and then bringing that down, and this is like lifting and sculpting kind of like a gym, which I thought was really, really cool in terms of the theme. Right here is this device that doesn't look crazy, but look at my lip twitching. You see that? My lip is twitching because it is strong. It's not like bad, but I think it's like actually really good. This is the PURELIFT face by Extreme Pulse. That's the brand. And they offer this, but it's really, really, really so strong. It really trains your muscles with this microcurrent to be snatched and lifted. Like, you know, like in a gym, you want to like train your muscles. So this is a part of that like training to like lift the face so we can look more snatched and pretty. So she's taking that oil and that gel off, and right here she is going with the FACEGYM Skin IV. This is so freaking cool because the Skin IV has a technology to deeply cleanse and infuse the skin with revitalizing serums. As you can see, there is no needle. You saw that little oxygen. It's just really infusing, and the pressure is just infusing in the skin all of these beautiful vitamins that she made into a cocktail for me to literally hydrate. I feel like when we are wearing a lot of makeup and we wipe it off, we're putting it on, we're really stripping our skin a lot. I really make sure to take off all my makeup thoroughly, but sometimes I forget to hydrate. But I love that Skin Ivy. Right here, if you guys have not heard of like cryotherapy, this is their cryo contour treatment. It's a high pressure shot of frozen CO2 with a powerful concentration of ingredients to intensely hydrate the skin. This is so freaking cold. When I tell you, I thought it was Elsa for 2 seconds and it was giving Frozen. This was giving Frozen on the skin, and it was really fierce. But it was like spraying like shots of ice onto my skin, and you could see it melting because I was like, oh my god, it's so cold. But it was really cool. But yeah, I think these different treatments are like really cool. I've seen them like all done separately, like cryotherapy and microcurrent and gua sha, you know, like the sculpting, and that's like really unique. But to see it all combined in one is really cool. That little pearl right there is called the Active Blast Vegan Collagen Skin Booster, and you combine that little pearl with the Hydrobound Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid. And imagine vegan collagen with hyaluronic acid. We are just getting the ultimate hydration. So that pearl is like super famous and really cool and hydrated my skin. So here she is just recapping the workout so I can do the workouts at home. And that concludes my workout at FaceGym.
All right, guys, that was FaceGym here on Sunset Boulevard with Jocelyn. I feel like my face is so lifted. That machine with the microcurrent was like so strong. I thought I was getting like Wi-Fi meets Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu, the whole package. But definitely come check it out. I will list all the products down below. I feel like my cheeks are ready to clap. Be sure to check out Cheek Clapper, made for Shade and Sephora right now. Clap those cheeks. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.